This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, high-intensity headlights, commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a locking differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, an integrated tailgate step, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, a sliding rear window, 12-volt power outlets, side curtain airbags, a trailer hitch receiver, a bed liner, four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, heated side view mirrors, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.